Hello guys and welcome to Best Memes I Found on TikTok. I upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Like and subscribe now. Enjoy the video.
No! Hey, I really hate to say this. I think there's someone hanging right there.
Hot diggity dog! This place is magnificent.
Hey! Bring the bottle back.
Sorry, buddy. No can do.
Hot diggity dog! This place is magnificent.
Fighter pilot! Dive bomb! And there comes a giant fish! Bomb has been planted. Oh, nigga! My ears burn!
No shoes and nothing. No shoes. Country boy. The fuck you doing here, nigga? Identify yourself. Who the fuck are you?
Terrorists win.
Get what you fucking deserve!
Throwing flashbang.
Do you see me fucking laughing, my nigga? I ain't fucking laughing.
Get out one side, Roy! Take back that sight. You got this, man. Go.
12 seconds later.
Oh God, no, run!
Yeah.
Parkour, parkour!
Parkour!
I'm right behind you, Andy! Come on!
Yeah.
You are not safe, not even fucking close. In fact, you are fucked. More fucked if you don't give me what I want. And what I want is half your shit. And if that's too much, then you can go make, find, or steal more, and it'll even out sooner or later. This is your way of life now.
Pray for mercy from Push him first! Hey, you want to see something cool? The river. Drown it.
Hi, I'm Saul Goodman. Did you know that you have rights? The Constitution says you do, and so do I.
What have you done?
Perks give you deals on the food you love. The kind of deals that make your boogie.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and have a good day.